guys, and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have a positive and productive week this week. So this week I'll be sharing with you guys the book makeover I did for Kingdom of the Cursed. Now obviously you guys can see them behind me already on the shelves. This is just where I've been keeping them because they are so pretty that I've just had them out on display. But we'll do a close-up of Kingdom of the Cursed now, and then you can see them both together in more detail after the time lapse. So first of all, we have this beautiful dust jacket that I love. I think pairs really well with the dust jacket for Kingdom of the Wicked, but I took inspiration from this when thinking about the colours, so I decided on silver because it had that same complementary vibe to it, so it would go well with the dust jacket, and that this sprayed edge would go very nicely with this dust jacket as well. So this is what we've got on the cover. We've got a skull and crown design. As you guys can see, it's shiny and metallic. And then we've got the same rose and thorn design as we had on the other book. And on the back, the same design with the dagger and the rose surrounded by the thorny rose frame as in the other book, but again, we've got it in this metallic silver. On the edges, we've got navy as a background, and then top and bottom are the same with this flower design. And again along the edges there. I absolutely love this design. I kind of flip between which I like more, whether I like the front cover more or the back cover more, but either way I think it's fantastic and a really good way to set off the second book in the series. But without any more witching from me, let's jump into the time lapse. Okay, so let's get another look. So again, we've got a metallic cover with the skull and crown design. We've got a navy background with shining, shimmering silver design on the sprayed edge. And on the back, again, we've got that dagger and rose with thorny framing. And it's all metallic. So if we see them both side by side, they look like this. And then the edges. And then on the back. They just work so well together. I am so pleased. So far it is obviously an incomplete series. It is just the first 2 books. Obviously we're waiting for book 3 and hopefully book 4 if we get lucky. But I just love how these designs sit with each other, and I can't wait to see what the dust jacket is going to be for the next book, so that I can start brainstorming colours and ideas that will go along with this one. Okay, what do you guys think? Would you have done this colour? Would you have done this design? If you could have changed things up, what would you have done? Next week you'll get a vlog style video, or at least that is the plan, to do a vlog style video. If not, it'll be a sprayed edge video, and that will show you guys what I've been up to lately. Sorry if I'm covered in red ink. I just finished doing a sprayed edge design actually for the Twilight series. So I had a customer reach out. They wanted the entire Twilight series with a custom sprayed edge. They wanted it with a silver background with blood drips running across it, that would line up when they sat next to each other. If you've seen my Realm Breaker sprayed edge, it's like that but with silver instead of gold and running across the whole paperback series. They look stunning actually against the white of the cover, because they wanted the white version of the cover instead of the black version of the cover. I really like it, but yeah, I finished it just before filming this, so I am still very much covered in ink. Books coming your way soon. I am definitely doing Our Violent Ends. I just finished that, and words cannot describe what I went through in that book. This is obviously this is the version that I did maybe at the beginning of the year, and I do love this design. But I don't know if you know this, but Our Violent Ends actually has an orange hardcover. I don't know, maybe it's just to mess with me, but it does mean that this design probably wouldn't look as good on it. Definitely not in gold. You'd have to do it in silver. But I don't know, let me know your thoughts if you think I should do that design or get a new design altogether. I do actually have 2 copies of Our Violent Delights, so maybe I'll do different versions and you guys can let me know which you like more. Another book that I've got coming your way, we've got Ace of Shades from Blood and Ash. We've got Storm and Fury by Jennifer L. Armentrout. That book is currently drying, which is why the dust jacket is off. I'm just looking around my workshop. What other books have I got coming up? We've got Iron Widow. We've got, I'm doing The Saviour's Champion and The Saviour's Sister again. So I know I've done The Saviour's Champion before, but that was right back at the beginning of my channel. Before I really knew what I was doing, the quality was a lot lower. Now I'm completely redoing it to a much higher quality. So stay tuned to see something a little bit different as well, because I'm completely recovering them. If you like this video and if you like the sound of the content that's coming up, please subscribe, comment, like, all of those really good things. It really helps me to engage and reach other people. Thank you to everyone who has bought a book recently. I am currently staring at a stack of 10 books that I will be shipping out before the end of the week, this week, and I'm looking at a stack of another 8 books that I am painting up for customers as well. I have been kind of overwhelmed by the response actually, so thank you to everyone who has purchased something. Also, if you guys have TikTok, make sure to follow me over on TikTok. I have more followers on TikTok now than I do on YouTube or on Instagram, so please make sure to go and check me out over there. That would be awesome. I'm thinking of maybe doing some live streams either here on YouTube or on TikTok, or maybe both. That would be for when I'm maybe filling orders, and it's all stuff that you've seen before, but then maybe we can paint together, or I can do Q&As and things. So what do you guys think about that? Anyway, I will stop wittering now. I hope you guys have positive and productive weeks, and I'll see you next time. Bye!